What is going on, guys? Happy Friday. Hopefully, no one blew any accounts today. We're just going to do another trade recap and just go over today's price action, what happened, and maybe what I can improve on. So, going into today, we had 10 a.m. news. Honestly, not really a big deal. I wasn't too worried about that. Yeah, so let's get into the bias. So, coming to the morning, I was honestly just super bullish. It looked like price really just wanted to go higher. We have this nice look at it on the hourly chart, looks a little better. So price has been moving up. We inverted this 1 hour bearish gap over here, and longer we have something to support us higher, as well as a bearish 4 hour value gap that we can go higher towards, as well as these external draws on liquidity like this daily for value gap. So honestly, long term on the day, I was bearish. I did want to see price go higher. Um, let's see. This is 1 hour gap. That's FVG. Okay, so price opened lower. 9:30 Judas lower into this 1 hour value gap. Didn't let anyone get an entry. No valid inversions or anything like that. Absolutely retarded. From there, we just ripped up. I mean, holy cow. Straight to, would have been straight to TPA, but no worries. And then from there, now we're in this bearish condition. In this run for value gap, all we'd be looking for is pretty much to see if it wants to send price lower or not. Honestly, I was long-term bullish on the day, so I really didn't want to take shorts, even though we were in this for value gap. So, oh shoot, sorry. I didn't want to take shorts even if we're in this value gap. Or if we did, I really wanted it to be like not against the 4 hour candle. So maybe like after 10 a.m. we get some nice manipulation in play. But literally all we did is we chopped up, generated some liquidity, and then we got an inversion down, cleared all of this. And then at this point, we came this low. I was like, okay, we might want to be bearish. We opened up this 4 hour value gap here. Price action might want to seek this out. And at this point, we opened this 5 minute. I was like, okay, if we pull back into this 5 minute and get an inversion to the downside, I think we're going to want to target this 4 hour gap. And then at this point, we got this inversion here. Like so. Went break even here. And then this is my trade. So honestly, I think it is a good idea. Price action gave me what it wanted to give me. I think another thing we could have waited for maybe clear manipulation, like have a stop hunt here, because we kind of just have this swing here and then we get an inversion. We don't have the best generated liquidity either. So overall structure, it's okay. It is kind of bare minimum. I just really like this target here. But I think why price ended up not wanting to go here is just because we just visited this point. We hit this 1 hour gap, and I guess that was enough for price to just send us higher. So, in turn, I mean, honestly, I think the the most invalid part of this trade I would say is kind of the structure. Maybe we could have had some better structure. But honestly, we had the 4 hour value gap into a 5 minute, into an inversion with the 4 hour draw on liquidity. Um, I liked it in a sense, but I mean, every trade is going to have something wrong with it. I can't say it could have been a little bit better. Um, I guess the best inversion of the day is what it looks like was going to be this one against the trend with this 4 hour imbalance. And then we just came up so high in it, filled it completely, and then get that inversion down. I can say we did have some nice, like the best part about this trade was the key level rejection areas. So we are in this inside of this 4 hour value gap, and we swept this 1 hour high inside of the value gap with a generated LR lower. This is perfect structure. The only thing is just kind of, I guess, against my DOL in a sense. I really just wanted to see price kind of generate this way and then get a continuation from here. But, or, oh wait, I forgot. I was also looking for continuations off this 15-minute, but we literally just dumped right through it. So that's what kind of made me bearish. But, yeah, so that was really today's price action. What I can improve on. I think I played it pretty well. I could say I could have been a bit more patient. Um, just with this one here, I kind of not forced it, but forced it. But I mean, we could have had a little bit of better structure. Honestly, I guess now we're just chopping around. I'm not really sure what price wants to do. I'm definitely getting off. Overall, solid week. If I wouldn't have broke my rules earlier in the week, but it is what it is. We're gonna improve. And that's gonna be it for the video. I will catch you guys later.